Hey guys, Hyman here. Today I'm kind of doing a one-off video for tips on how to do things for thumbnail making and video editing for beginners, since I'm a beginner. And this type of thing has been helpful for me to find. Today we're going to be doing how to find or make PNGs. Now, while most people seem they like to do it on Adobe Photoshop, I don't have that. I can't afford that. It's $21 a month from what I found. So it's not something I can actually afford. So I had to find other ways. Some options are, right, if you just want to get a stock image of something, right, there's always just like big ones, Pokemon or something. So let's go Charizard. Yeah, I see transparent. You can go transparent or just PNG and image. Now, usually if they're gonna be transparent, they'll have this, right? And you have to be able to view image, which in order to do that, there is a add-on that you have to get through Google, from the Google store, the add-on store. I think it's literally just called View Image, right? So it'll put that tab on your thing. So you hit View Image, and if it comes up like this, it's not a real PNG. Right, so we got to find one that might actually be a real PNG. And if you find one, it will actually have, yeah, like a black background. So it'll be the same background as the actual page behind it, because it will be transparent. Right there, so yeah, see, none of these are real PNGs. Ooh, okay, I don't know where that one's trying to go.
Eventually.
Right, because the one I did find, yeah, might be this. Yes. That. That means it's a real PNG. Right, when the background is black or whatever color your background is, that is a real PNG. And you saw how long it took me to find any of that. It's like 13 minutes. Right, so now close this, and here, let's do all. Logo, Pokemon, Fire. See, now let's go here. Right, most websites right, yeah. Have free downloads. And most of these, apparently not this one, most of these are real. Not sure on that one. That one didn't look good. Logopedia could be Japanese and English, right? There's that. Let's click on you. Well, I'm not overly fond of what's going on here. There should be. Yeah, I'm not overly sure I trust this one either. Yeah, pictures Pokemon Fire Red. Let's open it. It is. Right. So yeah, most websites that you can find, Kind PNG, and it looks like they're back sprites. See, I've never been able to find that, but let's go ahead and hit that. Let's open it and we'll see. Yeah, see? So now I have all the back sprites of every Gen 1 mod, which may be useful. I don't know when I'll need back sprites, right? But you can go in and edit, and you can cut. Basically, you can, yeah, crop. That's the word. Crop out a specific one, and as long as you save it as the PNG file, it'll work. right? So yeah, most sites that you go to download will work, right? However, I found one that makes it even easier. I titled it just PNG Maker. It is, yeah, photoshop.adobe.com/cutout. Although you don't necessarily need the / cutout because they're all just kind of do it, right? And then what I figured I'd do is here. I pull up just your images, and I am going to choose, you know what, like up. You know, first I'll show you one that I downloaded and I've already done, right? Which is Jessica from Dragon Ball 8, not Dragon Ball, Dragon Quest 8, because I used it in my recent one, right? And automatically, right, because with the cutout, / cutout is remove background, it automatically goes into the PNG, right? Then you hit apply, and then you can download it. And they do work. I've used this. Now you're like, well, that's an image I got offline that barely had a background. What if, you know, I have another image I want to get rid of, use? Here's a picture of me that I used, that I took on my phone. And since I already hit apply, right, I left that, so I just hit remove background. Voila. Right, it works. And you can replace it with other colors if you want as well. Wow, my head looks weird. I'm actually not, is my head really that shape? I'm not sure. They seem to have a little bit of a dent and stuff in there. I'm going to click this again and see if it actually changes the shape of my head. Cancel. Remove background. And of course it covers my face. It might have changed the shape of my head. It might have taken out part of my head that's background. I'm not 100% sure. I'm going to open this up and... No, it didn't. All right. Just from, apparently from that angle, my head looks like I'm literally missing part of my head. And I will keep this in so you people can see that. Because I thought maybe it messed up, but it didn't. Alright, here's trying to think, find another one here. Here's one, another one I took with the cell phone that's just from the mirror, right? Tegan Shush. Right? And yeah, those dirty spots. Apparently I need to clean my mirror. Alright. Now there are options of some of not the highest, not the greatest quality images, or even some of them that are too high quality images maybe, or too detailed, that they won't work. Right, and I don't know what I can tell you about that. Like, oh, here's my current gamer tag picture until I get this other one that I've commissioned done. See, it takes out most of it, but there's still those little lines there and there, and of course the stuff in between there. And you actually cut off part of the sword, right? So stuff like that I didn't do great on. Same with this. Right? Because it doesn't necessarily know everything it needs to get rid of. Like, so I kept that there and this stuff. Right? So it doesn't work perfectly with everything, but it works very good. Right, so unless you want to do it like professionally, and actually get Photoshop and all that stuff, this is one of your best options. I'm gonna see if I can find another thing. Alright, just text. That is that. And there's also another option for text, which is a very basic one. Another website. It's not secure though, so I don't know if you'll want to use it. But yeah, picture2people.org/text underscore generator /others/transparent -transparent text no, not dot dash generator.html. So very long. Right? Yeah, free online photo editors, text logo makers, and more. There's a few things here. Right? But yeah, I just scroll down and yeah, there's those options. Yeah. See, let's go. Hey guys. Admin here. Font size, let's stick with 100 for now. Margin, I don't know, 3. Text layout style. Right, here we go. Vertical tilt, right? Zigzag, circle. Yeah, see, those. Let's try top arc. I don't know what that actually means. The text rotation, I'm not sure. Color, I've always liked red. Transparency, I think that actually means of the text. And of course, you don't want transparent text. You want transparent background. So 0. Outline. Let's do Almonte Snow. Generate. Ta-da. And then you can download that and open it up, and there it is. So it's useful. Like I said, it says not secure. So I don't know if I'd actually recommend using it unless you actually have a good firewall and antivirus, right? And I use Norton 360. It's very good. So if this wasn't safe, I wouldn't be able to use it. It's just not secure. So I'm not going to say use it, but I'm just saying this is what I use. If I want anything like that effect, if I just want transparent text, I'll usually just use the photo editor one, and I'll throw that text in there and do it. Because then, all right, I'm going to do this, which is going to be iffy, because that's always fun. And I'm going to take the... Now, see, now the only part about it I'm not fond of is it doesn't go into images. It goes into downloads, so you got to go to downloads to find them. And let's do this. See, I don't think I can do that. Yeah, see? I can do that, actually. So, yeah. Be transparent. Along with this. Which looks really weird because of the... because of that. So, here's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to... delete that one, and then delete that one, and there you go. Okay, that one's better. All right, so then order, move to bottom there. All right. Oops. There you got transparent image and transparent text. Right, so those are two of the easiest and best options that I've actually found to do it. Now, if you want to go online and do the image search for PNG, I showed you how long that actually takes to find anything. long enough I'm actually going to have to edit this video, and I didn't plan to. Alright, so yeah, your best options are the websites I showed. If I remember, I will put them in the description. I'm kind of new to that. I actually didn't put two and two together before now, that when it says explain what your video is about, I didn't realize that was a part where I put links to things, right? I'm like, well, how do people put links in there? I don't see that option. It was in the description. Like, a link is in. So yeah, like I said, I'm a beginner. I obviously have times where I'm an idiot, because everybody has times where they're an idiot. That's just kind of how people are. Right, but that will be it for this, not episode, video, I guess. Yes, that'll be it for this video. I will edit it, so thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.